For centuries, scientists have been fascinated by these mysterious cosmic objects, which are so massive and dense that not even light can escape their gravitational pull. And now, for the first time ever, we have been able to peer inside a black hole and get a glimpse of what's inside. Join us in this video as we look at what scientists have discovered inside a black hole. Black holes are some of the most mysterious and enigmatic objects in the universe. They are regions of space where the normal laws of physics break down, and where matter is crushed to an infinitely small point known as a singularity. Black holes are typically formed when a massive star collapses at the end of its life, and they can have masses that are several times greater than the mass of our Sun. Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, published in 1915, predicted the existence of black holes. According to the theory, when a massive object is compressed into a small enough volume, it will create a region in space where the gravitational force is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. This region is known as the event horizon of the black hole. Einstein's theory also predicted that the gravitational force of a black hole would cause the time to slow down for an observer outside the event horizon, a phenomenon known as time dilation. This prediction was confirmed in the 1960s when scientists observed that time moved more slowly for objects in strong gravitational fields, such as those near the surface of the Earth. In the decades that followed, Einstein's theory of general relativity has been refined and tested through a variety of observations and experiments, including the detection of gravitational waves, which are ripples in the fabric of spacetime produced by the motion of massive objects. These discoveries have provided strong evidence for the existence of black holes and have helped to confirm the accuracy of Einstein's theory.
So what happens is a star is holding itself up against the pull of its own gravity, which is trying to squash it down because of the nuclear reactions in the core of the star. So because the star shines, and that produces a pressure, if you like, that holds the thing up. But it can't keep burning its fuel forever. And when it runs out, gravity will take over again. And in the case of the most massive stars, then no known physical process can stop the collapse. So gravity wins. So it just collapses and collapses and collapses, as far as we know, forever. So you get an infinitely dense point of what, I can't even call it matter. It's gone, really. All there is left is the gravity, in some sense. We don't know the physics when these things get so dense and so tiny. We don't know what the physics is. So it may well not be just this infinitely dense point. We just don't know. But so we give it a name, the singularity. But all that's left that you can observe in the universe is the gravity. All the matter is kind of gone. So it's one of the great questions in physics, and it's very strange that strange things happen. For example, we can work out what the circumference of a black hole is. So we can go round the event horizon and say, well, it's so big. But if you say, what's the distance from the event horizon to the center? It can be infinitely big. The radius can be a lot bigger than the circumference would suggest because of the curvature and bending of space and time.
There are several types of black holes, including stellar black holes, formed when a massive star collapses in on itself, and supermassive black holes, which are much larger and can be found at the center of galaxies. The Milky Way is thought to contain tens of millions of black holes, which can range in size to 1 million times the mass of the Sun. These black holes can be found throughout the galaxy and are often difficult to detect because they do not emit any light. In addition to these stellar black holes, the Milky Way also contains a supermassive black hole at its center, known as Sagittarius A star. This black hole is thought to have a mass of about 4 million times that of the Sun, and it is located about 26,000 light-years from Earth. In 2019, the first ever image of a black hole was released to the public, offering a glimpse into one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. The image, which was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, a network of telescopes around the world, shows the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87, located approximately 55 million light-years from Earth. The black hole in M87, which is located in the constellation Virgo, has a mass of about 6.5 billion solar masses, making it one of the largest known black holes in the universe. It is surrounded by a region known as the event horizon, which is the point of no return for anything that falls into the black hole. Anything that crosses the event horizon, including light, cannot escape the gravitational pull of the black hole and is drawn inexorably toward its center. The process of capturing an image of a black hole was a monumental achievement, as it required the EHT team to gather data from 8 telescopes located around the world, including sites in Chile, Hawaii, Arizona, and the Spanish island of La Palma. The team used a technique known as interferometry, which combines the data from the different telescopes to create a high-resolution image of the black hole. The image released by the EHT team shows a bright ring of light surrounding a dark central region, which is the black hole itself. The bright ring is created by hot gas and dust that is swirling around the event horizon of the black hole. The image also shows a jet of material, known as an accretion jet, streaming away from the black hole. The release of the first ever image of a black hole was met with great excitement and fascination from the scientific community and the general public. It marked a significant milestone in our understanding of these mysterious objects and opened up new avenues for further study. In the years since the first image of a black hole was released, the EHT team has continued to gather data and produce images of other black holes, including the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy. These images have helped to shed light on the properties and behavior of black holes and have sparked new questions about these enigmatic objects. The study of black holes is likely to continue to be a major focus of research in the coming years, as scientists strive to unlock the secrets of these mysterious and captivating objects. One theory that has been proposed is that black holes could potentially serve as a path or bridge to other galaxies. This idea is based on the concept of wormholes, which are hypothetical tunnels or shortcuts through spacetime that could potentially allow matter or energy to travel from one point in the universe to another almost instantly. According to this theory, it is possible that a black hole could act as a gateway to another galaxy or even another universe. If a spaceship or other object were to pass through the event horizon of a black hole, it might emerge in a different location in the universe, potentially even in a different galaxy. While this theory is certainly intriguing, it is important to note that it is purely theoretical and has not been proven by any scientific evidence. There are many challenges and obstacles to overcome in order to test this theory and determine whether it is true. For example, it is currently not possible for any object to pass through the event horizon of a black hole and emerge again, so it is not yet clear how this process would work or if it is even possible. Despite these challenges, the idea that black holes could potentially be wormholes to other galaxies is an interesting one that continues to be explored by scientists and researchers. It highlights the fact that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving and that there is still much we still need to learn about the mysteries of the cosmos. There are many mysteries that surround black holes. Despite the progress that has been made in understanding these objects, there is still much that we don't know about them and the role they play in the universe. Some scientists believe we may even live inside a supermassive black hole.